Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nurmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing and hands-on review of a new true wireless earbuds from Harp, and this is the Harp Divine 3. So Harp Divine 3 is now available in India for a price of rupees 3,999 and offers plethora of modes and options and really great features when compared to the competition. So in this video we are going to talk about the Harp Divine 3, what it offers, how good the quality of the earphones is, the battery life and other features available for the Harp Divine 3. So let's get started. So this is the box package of the Harp Divine 3. So the back of the box mentions the box contents. So you can see that Harp Divine 3 true wireless earbuds, small, medium and large ear tips are also included. You also get small, medium and large ear hooks is included. Then USB charging cable is also included. So this is the Harp Divine 3, and now let's open the box package. So opening up the box, you can see a case inside. So unlike other earbuds which are true wireless earbuds, this has some different qualities, especially in terms of the quality. You can see this case is made of anodized metal, which gives good protection, and it's a solid case for the true wireless earbuds. Now the back of the case has two options. One is the power button. So this power button shows you the battery left in the case. So this case has been used for charging the earbuds as well, and you also get the option, the micro USB port to charge the case, which also has a battery. Now this case has a really good fit and finish to it. You can see the chrome accents around the case. Now if you push the case to the bottom, you can see the earbuds, the true wireless earbuds. So that's the Harp true wireless earbuds. So we'll come back to this in a while. In the meantime, let's see what else comes inside the box. So inside the box you get this charging cable. As I said before, this is the standard charging cable for charging the case. Then additional ear tips are included, and there you go. You can see that medium and large ear tips are also included. So that's something which is included in the box package. So based on how comfortable you are, you can change these earbuds. Then you also get the manual included. So this also has the manual. So the manual has all the functions on how to pair it and how to use it. So everything is included. Here you can see power on and power off. All the information is included in the manual. So that's the manual. Now let's have a look at the earbuds. So opening up this case, you can see the Harp earbuds. So just pull it out. So this is how you can pull it out. So that's the earbuds, and you can see the charging slot here. So this is how you can charge the earbuds. So once you charge the battery inside this case, you can charge the earbuds as well. So let's just keep this aside. Now we'll talk about the earbuds. So this is the Harp earbuds. So you can see that this is the ear hook we have. So you can actually change these ear hooks with the additional ones available. Then you have the Harp branding here, and these ear tips can also be changed based on how comfortable are you with this earbud. So you can also see the charging point, and this has this tap button. So you can use this tap button for multi-function. So this has a lot of functions here. We'll just mention all this then. So if you are using this, just play, but play and pause can be done in the multi-function on the right earbud. You can see just tap to play music and tap again to pause, the multi-function button on the right earbud. To skip track when playing, double tap on the multi-function button on the right earbud to skip the track. So just double tap on the multi-function button. This is the multi-function button, and you can skip the track. Volume control when playing or talking continuously, tap the multi-function button on the left earbud. So this is the right one. You can use the left earbud to control the volume. Just tap on it, and you can increase or decrease the volume. So right is for play, pause and skip track, while the left one is for controlling the music volume. So that's how you can configure this. So that's something which is quite good available on this earbuds. You can control everything without having to use the smartphone or any other playback option. So you can have the volume control as well as skip and pause button right here on the true wireless earbuds. So according to the company, you can have 5 hours of battery life on a single charge, and that's quite good performance altogether. So you can see that the build quality as such looks really good, and the Harp Divine 3 has a very stable Bluetooth connection. And if you're playing games, e-games like PUBG Mobile or COD Mobile, these are perfect because you get the best connection via Bluetooth. So that's another important thing. And then, as I said before, touch surface buttons allows you to control the playback and pause and also the volume button. So these are the ones available on the Harp True Wireless Earbuds. And as I said before, there are 3 ear hooks and 3 ear tips available, so it's quite comfortable to get the best fit. And we have been using this for quite some time, and we have been pretty impressed with how easy to wear this is. Even when you are using this, you don't actually feel it's in the ear, and it gets you really great comfortable feel when using the earbuds. Now, talking about the sound quality, we are quite impressed with the sound performance of the Harp Divine 3. The bass performance is especially pretty good, and the sound clarity is again really good. And even when you're using for longer period, you don't actually feel any sort of pain in the ears. It's that comfortable, and you also get IPX6 waterproof rating, which means you don't have to worry about using in the rain, sweat, or any splashes. And there is also auto power on and off option. That means if you're not using it, it will automatically power off, and that's something which is pretty good. Now, the Harp Divine 3 has a lot of features, and it comes in a pretty good build quality, good performance as such, and the pricing is 399 and is available right now in India. So that's the unboxing and hands-on with the Harp Divine 3 True Wireless Earbuds. So overall, for the pricing it is being offered, it offers good sound performance. The bass performance is good. Even when you are watching movies or playing e-games or watching movies, the quality is pretty good. And even when you are using this to use for calls, the performance is good. So that's the unboxing and hands-on review of the Harp Divine 3 True Wireless Earbuds. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off, and if you plan to buy the Harp Divine 3, the link is available in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.